Paris, the queen, is on our way.
Have you ever fucked a Jamaican girl before?
Hey, fanatics, welcome. It's your girl Mel. I hope you guys are doing well. Coming up, I will be sharing clips from Spice's live performance in Paris. First of all, let me talk about her outfit. It was definitely in a different category. I'm kind of getting like a Lady Gaga vibe from it. Let me know what you guys think about Spice's outfit in the comments section. It was a great show, large crowd with a lot of excitement. She was very interactive with her fans. She was even using their phones to take selfies of herself, and I think that was pretty cool. I won't say much more. Watch for yourself and let me know what you think about this video.
Jamaican girl before? No, but I'm trying to fuck one tonight though. I like that. When they have a cute face like this, it really turns me on.
Baby, come up, you're like the wind and grab the shit. Stop in the time and go the shit. Big up, fuck, boom, boom, I got it. We never do it, actually. Bye, come in, but I tear off the sheet.
Look how me make you look good. Look how me carry off.
Jesus Christ.
Look how me make you pretty.
Me nice.
You have made it to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and tell a friend about our channel. Stay tuned for more videos. Peace. I'm out.